Hi, this is Jeff with Metro Detroit SEO, and this is for Brair Dentistry, a quick website review. Looking at things. First of all, looking over the front page of your site. Very nice, very professional, nice video. Some good information there. Let's see. Okay, it looks pretty good. Overview. I did go through looking through some of the other pages, and those look nice as well. A couple of the things that help get your site first. At the time, I noticed you were low second page of going through Google. Is content and keyword placement here. Content wise, you probably have a good few hundred words on there. You want to catch at least 1,000 to 1,500. That way you can place a few more keywords in there, backlinks and other certifications and everything else. Let's do a quick little overview. This is RF, so you don't really have a lot of traffic stuff coming through there. There's not a lot of information or keywords. This is Majestic, and what it does is TrustFlow is it has the links and other links that are going back and forth to stuff. There's your root domain, subdomain. Let's see if there's anything there. Nope. And the URL path. Nope, nothing there. Let's go back to the main URL. Nothing there. Let's check the backlinks. Again, we can run through them all real quick to see if anything pops up. None there. None there. Anchor text. Let's check those. See if there's anything helping to anchor you into your spot there. No, nothing. So we're kind of starting from scratch here. Like I said, your site looks really nice. So I did over here. I did Dentist Novi. See what comes up. And like I said, you were on the second page. So what I also do is I pick the first organic one, and they just happen to be the number one out of anything, right there. Right there, and kind of run them through the same paces. Again, their site looks nice, professional. They could use some more content. We'll give them that. You actually have a little bit more than they do for the word count. Overview: they are ranked 66 million over everything in Google. Right there, they do have some backlinks and things coming in to help them. They also have 219 keywords in America, and as you see, it spreads out through quite a few other areas right there. And their site, they don't have much trust flow. They do have some citation flow, which is their name out there to other places. Root domain, they got a little bit of trust flow there, and that's basically is links to other sites that link back. It helps give you power. It helps get you up there. And I will tell you this though, for what they have, it's not hard to beat them, or at least get your name up there. These aren't big numbers. I'm looking for more stuff in the mid 20s to 30s match going on. What else? So that's a summary there. Their backlinks. Let's see their backlinks. Okay, so this no follow, you don't really want those per se. You want the open ones. That's what helps bring, again, your power and things back to you, versus having nothing, or these no follow ones right here. There's a few of those. No anchor text, no follow image. And again, you can link to images and quite a few other things, but you're kind of getting the point here of what's going on. So my recommendation is more content, and then also more backlinks and links in the citation flow really coming up. That'll definitely help you in your path. Again, this is Jeff with Metro Detroit SEO, and if you'd like, you can give me a call back at 313-673-1705. Look forward to hearing from you. Hopefully this information helps you and you can use it. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.